a savage. Nancy, bougie, acting. Adrian, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. I'm a savage. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. I'm trying to learn this dance. Hey. Hey. Okay, so I was trying to learn. Can't even pay attention. So I was trying to learn the savage dance, the savage challenge dance the other night, but I was sleeping. Hey guys, it's AskOyinkan. I am quarantined. I'm just trying to have fun. So I'm trying to learn the savage challenge dance on TikTok. I made a TikTok months ago. Oh, these boys are cool. Look, I'm a savage. My phone is cracked, by the way, and that's just that. I'm still learning TikTok. That's a whole nother thing. Like, I'm still learning TikTok. So, oh my gosh, I look a mess. Let me put some earrings on. Let me look like I care about my appearance. Hold on. I put these earrings on because I know once my mom sees this video, she's gonna be like, you aren't wearing earrings. You look like you don't care about your appearance. If you're Nigerian, then you know. Is this better? Maybe a necklace, maybe a different, I don't know. I just wanted to wear workout attire. I didn't really want to like get dressed. How do I see the stuff I've liked? I'm gonna learn this in slow-mo because this is the only way. Classy, something bougie. Okay. Wait, but that part doesn't really, that part, see that is not really like a, it's more of a, is it? I don't know. So we're gonna do it over, round 2. I can't do that right. This is the slow-mo, because how else do you expect me to learn this? I'm not gonna learn it from the fast one, okay? Is that how you do it? Oh, wait. See the arms. I'm confused as to whether the arms are like this. Okay, take 4. Okay, I'm gonna do it without looking at her, okay? Darn it, I messed up already. I'm gonna just do my own thing. All right, take 59. I'm not gonna look at her. Let me see. Okay, now I have to look at her because I don't remember. Is that it? Is that it? Am I right? What comes out? Oh, yeah. Forgive me because this camera is, my tripod is out of commission right now. I can't find the piece that goes into the camera. So I have this camera on top of a stool that's on top of a box, that's on top of a bigger box, that's on top of another big box. Yeah. 1 time slow with the girl and then 1 time fast with like the regular song. And then C. I gotta do 1 more time slow. Oh, nasty. If I learn the words, maybe then I'll know how to do it better. That's mad time slow-mo. I just gotta learn the words. I think I could do a fast one. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. Wait! Wait! No! Wait! It's so fast! It's too fast. Decent for like a first time fast, right? Let me see. You know which one I want to do? Wait, this is one I want to do too. Okay, I'm bored in the house. And I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored and I'm bored in the house and I'm in the... I love that. That's like one of the songs me and my friends would have made up. Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Okay, back to Savage. Wait, nasty. Wait, no. Wait, the words I'm a savage. Classy. Okay, classy, bougie. Wait. I'm a savage. I need to learn the words. Let me look up the words. Savage, Meg the Stallion, because that's the only way. Savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Okay, so it's I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. What's sassy, moody? Oh, ratchet. I got like up to ratchet. I can do that. I remember that. But ratchet. Sassy. Darn it. Darn it. You had one job to remember this one little chorus. Wait, sassy. Sassy. Oh, okay, I got it. Sassy, moody, nasty. Okay. Nasty. 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 Acting stupid. What's happening? Shake boobs. Happening. Oh, what's happening? Boom, boom. Wait, what is it? How's it go? What's happening? Boom, boom. What's happening? Boom, boom. What's happening? What's happening? Wait. Stupid. How's it go? Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Boom, boom. I'm a savage. Oh, wait. Sorry. Turned off the lights. Stupid. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna practice with the big girls. I think I got it. Okay, I think I'm ready for the big dogs. I'm scared. Quality is terrible because we're doing this on my vlogging camera, okay? This is gonna be my first official TikTok. I'm so scared. Okay, no, I posted one, but it was a pre-recorded video, so it doesn't really count. I'm probably gonna delete it, but this is gonna be really like the first TikTok video, and I'm scared. Okay, did I put the timer on? All right, girl. All right. You can do this. You can do this, okay? I'm gonna put it right here. Cause I'm a savage. Classy, bougie. I need lights on me, like. I feel like I need my my soft lights. I just need my soft lights on me. Come on. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I could watch myself all day. Oh my gosh. This is a good cover, right? I need help picking a cover. I don't know what I want. Now that I know where my drafts are, I could definitely try it one more time. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. I'm putting my phone where it belongs. Oh, let me pick the sound. Whoopsie. Oh my gosh, this is mad fun. Like, I can literally do like three TikToks a day. Like, legit. Wait, I think my first try is the best try. Okay, I think the first one came out best. So I'm gonna post the first one. Oh my gosh. What does FYP mean? Why is it dark? Come out dark. That's so weird. Is that like normal? I don't know why it has like a dark spot. I'm gonna try to redo it. I gotta position. This is stressful. Cause then I have to put this. I have to put my entire setup further back. I don't know why it's just like darker at the bottom. It's so weird. Try again, because we don't lose.
Hey, so you back? I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
I'm a savage. Sassy, bougie, acting. Ratchet, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. I'm a savage. This is so much fun. I made my first TikTok. Add me on TikTok. It's the same name as my Insta. Queen, you can add me. Okay. I'm excited. I'm gonna make more. I don't know what else. Oh, I know what to do. That one where he goes, I'm bored in the house and I'm in a house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in a house bored. That's a good one too. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff. Laters.